Alright, this is a review. As you can hear, the squeaking noise is quite loud in terms of squeaking noise, and it has been a problem. It needs a little adjusting, but there are some good things and bad things about this foldable bike. And this is a Zizzo bike, and it's a beautiful bike. I love how it's foldable and compact, especially when you're living in a tiny studio apartment. There's a variety of foldable expansions for this bike. So let's go ahead and put the kickstand down so we can take a look at it. Not only can you be able to put this seat all the way down with this lever, but you're able to basically fold these pedals by clicking these in, pulling them in, and then kind of, there we go, maybe, there we go. It's really tough, these pedals, and pushing them in. I think there should be a better way, or easier adjustment, but very, very difficult to push them in. So maybe an improvement for the next version. You're able to fold it here as well. Able to adjust these levers with this, and adjust the height with this lever. Not only that, but you're able to fold this entire portion with this lever here. You just have to push it in and then kind of fold it back. Downside of it is this wire here. Not only is this wire for braking very, very tough, and it's quite strong because of the metal mesh going inside here. But in terms of steering, it's very difficult, as you can imagine. It prevents a lot of it cuts off a lot of the ability in turning the steering of it, the wheel of it. So you can still turn it, but you can feel a lot of hesitation, which I think they should adjust for that type of ability with this bike. You've got a variety of gears. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad of a bike. You've got a kickstand that's already pre-built in there. These are, going to zoom here on the bicycle wheel, if you want to look that up. And these are about 20 inches. So, not too big, not too small. But the eager thing is you can be able to fold this up and keep it within your apartment. So just keep that in mind. So anyways, that's a review of the bike. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below.